After the earthquake, a 15-mile fissure, that is, a long, narrow break in the earth, was found in Anchorage, Alaska. Does fissure mean crack, lake made by pressure of the earth, border, or vibration? Taking a look at our sentence, we can see that after the word fissure, there are the words "that is." These are signal words signaling to us that the sentence is going to show another way of expressing what a fissure is. In this case, a long, narrow break in the earth. From here we can understand that a fissure is a kind of hole or breakage. Let's take a look at our choices and pick the one that best fits our definition. A, crack, seems to fit perfectly. We're going to keep it in mind and go on just to be sure. B, lake made by pressure of the earth, can be crossed off as the sentence and its given definition simply say nothing about a lake. C, border, and D, vibration, can be crossed off for the same reason. The sentence makes no mention of these. Therefore, we can be confident that A, crack, is the correct answer.